guys, welcome to Sparkle Workshop. It's me, Aubrey, and this is our very first video. And for this very first video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple slime recipe. So yeah, let's get started. So for this recipe, you are going to be needing half a cup of glue and half a cup of shaving cream and some beads to decorate your slime. These are optional. You don't have to put these in your slime. And then I have some glitters you can put in your slime. They're also optional too. And some food coloring. That is also optional too. And then last but not least, some Activator, which is contact lens solution because it's not harmful. So I have my half a cup of glue, so I'm going to pour it in. Okay, so we got to make sure it's empty before we put the shaving cream in it. So I think okay, so now we're going to add our shaving cream. Half a cup of shaving cream. So now I'm going to put the shaving cream in. Okay, so now we're going to mix it. We're gonna put in some food coloring. So I'm gonna do yellow. I'm gonna add 2 drops or 3. 1, 2, 3 drops. Now put it back in. Okay, so now we're gonna add our beads in. Oh wait, yeah, we're gonna add our beads. I like to add them before like the slime is made, so then you don't have to worry about it. And now I'm gonna put some yellow glitter. So I'm gonna put the yellow glitter. Here's the yellow glitter. We're gonna pour some in. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. Okay, so now we're gonna add the activator. So I'm gonna pour some in. Okay, I'm going to mix it up. So you just have to keep mixing. Okay, so it is forming, so now we can play with it. Okay, so that's all. If you rather your slime be more like slime, just add more food coloring. And if you rather it be much more softer, add lotion and like not putty, just add less glue. So that was it for our very first slime video. Hope you enjoyed that video. And make sure to leave your favorite slime recipes down in the comments below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and hit that thumbs up. See y'all soon!